Idenza's CaseGPT is a set of AI agents that help fraud investigators understand the details of the case, such as risk factors why the transaction was flagged or recommendations for next steps. CaseGPT uses a graph-RAG approach to understand the relationships between different entities for the cases and make recommendations. We use Llama 3 for LLM, Chroma for vector store, and LangChain for orchestration. Leveraging LLMs for case management enables investigators to process cases efficiently. For example, they can ask for the case details or for recommendations for action. CaseGPT will provide answers along with supporting data, highlighting relevant case details in a single pane of glass. Let's look at a specific example. The investigator asks for the case details. The answer shows all the relevant information available to the system. Based on the case information, the recommendation from the system is to allow the transaction, but start monitoring the account. The relevant information for the case is shown as part of the recommendation. In the next example, the case is flagged as a high-risk case. In this case, the recommendation is to block the transaction. Next, let's ask for the key risk indicators. The key risk indicators highlighted include the transaction amount, the time of the transaction, and the possibility that a stolen identity was used for the transaction. Idenza determined a stolen identity risk because either a new device was used for the transaction or by using a combination of various signals. For the next example, the investigator asks whether the transaction should be blocked. The system comes back with a recommendation based on the facts of the case, along with the detailed explanation for the recommendation.